Hey guys, out here, little creek out here in Katy, Texas. Doing a little fishing with my friends Chris, Josh, and Jeff. We're going to be doing a little, soaking on a little shad, Carolina rigging for some crappie, bass, some catfish, and some gar. And we're going to be throwing some lures for some bass around the rocks. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe for this video. Oh my gosh. Man, I don't know what that was, but it came with some oomph. Ooh, that was a nice bass. I got that on camera. Right through these rocks here like this. Damn it. You know what? I think I can make it out there. As long as my phone didn't get wet, I don't care. Mother. Ah! Oh man, my phone's okay. That's all that matters. Whew. All right, let's try this again. There it is. Oh man, third time's not the charm. Damn. Uh-oh, got us the first catch of the day.
How'd I catch one?
Little perch. Yeah! I think I was on your line. I got one!
Dang!
Sweet.
Here.
Yeah, pliers. He ain't gonna make it. There you go.
You got off?
Nah, you got him off. Yeah. There you go. He was a little bloody. Maybe alright.
They've been around, dude.
He ain't floating.
Alright folks, well it's that time of the day where we're going to go ahead and talk to you about things that you do while fishing while you wait for a bite. Right now we got Jeff down there trying to catch some more shad. We got Josh throwing a little spinner bait trying to catch some crappie. And me, oh, we got Chris over here.
Like to curse.
He likes to curse. And me, I'm going to do one of my favorite things to do while waiting on a bite. Take this burr, see this Miller High Life, just a Miller Lite. I'm going to crack the top, and then you want to poke the bottom. Crack the top, poke it right here on the bottom. You're going to make a little mess, but it'll be alright. Poke you a little hole, and then go ahead and take this. Woo! That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Oh!
Did it break?
It broke. Gosh, dang it. I must have been wrapped on a rock.
Or a turtle.
Gosh, dang it.
wait, I can see him now.
You can see what?
Oh, no.
No, I think what happened was the line was wrapped on a rock, and then when I set it, it snapped it. That's only 8-pound braid. But gosh,
Is it really?
yeah, but I had a big shad on there. Oh yeah, I got one.
Yeah.
Right here. That's how you do it.
Got it?
Yep.
Keep it.
Gar. Gar. Oh, I got off. Ah. Damn, treble hook failed me.
Ah.
Not always. Oh, you know what it was? It's because I don't have a treble hook. I'm using a damn J hook on here.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. Look, I'm not even a J. It's a circle hook.
Ah.
I'm gonna throw my little. I need to throw a J hook
Oh,
on.
we all saw it though.
Yeah. It happened. All right. Whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, my shit came off. You got yours though.
What you got?
I don't know.
Get it.
Yeah, you want it?
Go ahead.
You got trouble hook, right?
Yeah, I got treble. Go ahead.
Flathead. On it. Is it a flathead? I think calling it. I don't know.
That's big.
That might be a turtle.
Nah, it came up by now.
No, it's staying deep.
It's a fish, yeah.
Catfish.
Ooh, yeah. Come on up. What is that? Is it a turtle? It is! Oh!
Chill, dude.
Just a turtle.
You want it?
Yeah, I'll take it. You got him?
Yeah, I got it.
Nice.
Actually, I think he might have gotten off.
Oh. Oh well. Dang it.
Hey, what time is it?
I don't know. It's time for me to set my drag.
It's 4:11.
There we go, baby.
I have a tilapia in the back.
Got one.
I have 2 big tilapia.
Turtle. Turtle. Soft shell.
Fine, I got 2 tilapia
Cool.
in the back.
I got a turtle. 7 different types of meat.
Look, hey, Ryan, look at this. Look at this toad, Ryan.
Oh man, that's a 10-pounder.
For real. Hey, Ryan.
Hey, Josh.
It is now.
Who are you trying to say, that I hold my fish out in my photos? Uh-oh, doubles. Doubles.
What's soft shell?
Yeah.
In the foot?
I hooked him in the foot, yeah.
Thank God. It gets so annoying to hook like them.
7 different types of meat, folks. Turtles. 7 types of meat. Go, little guy.
Wait, what do you mean by that? 7 types of meat?
That they really have like 7 different types of meat, like a white meat, dark meat.
Really?
Yeah, supposedly people eat them. Who got one right there?
There you go. I'm like, yeah.
Yep, nice one. Ooh, look at that right there, boy.
Oh, that's a good one.
Thanks. Thank you. Little bass.
Nice.
Yeah.
I should have brought my jig.
You wanna go back? Yeah, but I'll let him go. Just do it for sport. You wanna go get your another jig?
Yeah, I think Josh got my jig. Yeah.
I got another one over there. Oh, got him one. Got him. Oh, there it is, folks. Uh-oh. Crappie. Crappie. Oh, yeah, crappies.
Oh,
Crappies.
better.
Nice job, man. High fives. Air 5. Yeah. Air 5. Yeah. Crappies. You gonna eat that, bro? You eat fish out of a bayou? Gross.
Ooh, by a doo-doo plant?
There's a doo-doo plant right down there. You eat these fish?
2 of them.
Ew, a poopy plant.
Ugh. You eat fish out of a bayou? Gross. Anybody who eats fish out of a bayou, that's gross.
Quit your life.
Quit your life.
You want to eat some fish? Go buy some from Fiesta. It's pretty cheap. GoPro doesn't really do good with long distance. Sweet.
He catches so many crappie on that spinnerbait.
It does. That's a good one. Gar. Gar. Okay, let him go.
Let me see.
Oh, you want to see him? There you go. Don't let him bite. You got needle teeth, boy. Oh, let me Snapchat him real quick. Hold on. Man, I don't want to Snapchat your crappie. Hold on. Baby Gar. Baby Gar.
Oh, no.
Baby Gar.
Got him.
All right. Baby Gar. What happened? Where's your crappie at? Ooh, dinner plate. Yes.
By the turd plant.
Nice job, Josh. Nice job. You eat fish out of a bayou? Disgusting. Yup, 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 yup. Oh, there it is. Slammed it. Slammed that one. Chris, what you looking at, man? Hey, he slammed this thing, boy. There you go, folks. Oh, dang. Yeah, my lure landed and it hit, and then when I set hook, it got hooked, snagged that bag. Yeah, sucks. Man, you would happen to have a hook on you, huh? Offset?
I have a couple.
An offset hook, because I got a trailer.
Yeah, I've got an offset.
Yeah, if you don't mind, man. I hate to have to walk all the way back there.
Yeah,
Sweet, sweet, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, that was crazy. As soon as it landed, yeah, it was like,
got one.
yeah, crazy. And I set hook on that bag and got snagged. Yeah, I love rock like this. It just sucks when you get snagged, though.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, though. There it is. You ate that. Whoop! Yeah. Yo, I just caught all these in one cast. I'll try to cast it again and catch some more. The way that I do it. Pull this. Put the line right here in your hand. Throw it open a little. Nothing that cast. That was beautiful though. Yeah.
I think that place is fun, dude.
Over there.
Oh, what you got?
Crappie. Nice. Heck yeah. Got him.
On a shad or what?
Yep, on a shad. Look at him. This slab.
Yeah, that's a nice one, dude.
Yeah. They just wanted to leave. Look at this. Beautiful. I'm actually going to take a photo of this one. It's nice. Beautiful fish. Those guys are like
Damn, that was nice. I'm like, yeah, that's Brian McPherson, man. Oh, I get another bite over here. You all right to stay for a little while? You don't mind?
Oh, I don't mind at all, dude.
Cool. I mean, might as well use some of this shad, huh?
Yeah, I think it's all right. Trouble hook.
Triple hook. Hey, I had that crappie hooked in the lips. He got him in the lip.
Did you have that on treble?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And he didn't get hurt. He was fine. He didn't get away either.
See how the kids got away with him?
That's why they left. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Peace. Ooh, get another hit. Get another hit right here. On this reel. On this rod right here. I don't know what it is. Gar!
Oh, gar.
I'm gonna get him. He ain't getting off. I got him with that treble hook. Yeah! Dude! Yeah! Right in the mouth. Look at that. Treble hook right in the mouth. Whoa, be careful. Whoa. Got him. Whew. Prehistoric.
Oh, nice, dude. Oh, yeah, dude. Damn, you call these on one cast?
Yeah, one cast. It was beautiful cast too. And I threw it just the way I throw it. But guess what? Got him, fool, with the treble hook. He didn't get no way. He didn't get away.
Well, that is one slimy fish, dude.
Yeah. That's two fish back to back.
They might have left just at the wrong time.
I think they did. I think they made the mistake we made last time.
Yeah, we went to go to the secret spot.
The secret spot that sucked.
Treble hook.
Treble hook. Ah, spoke too soon.
Got the treble hook in the forehead. That's all out here, huh?
Right here, got one.
Got it?
Look at it moving.
Got him.
Got him. Uh-oh. It's a gar.
It is a gar.
I got your line though.
Hey, bro, a gar. Oh,
He came off right here.
Hey, bro, a gar.
Oh, don't want to get my hands jacked.
Yeah, you want to see it. Some slimy suckers right there, dude.
Yeah. Yeah. Get him. You got a treble hook and I got some shad. You could throw one out.
That is sweet. I gotta take a picture. Hold on. All right. My wife's gonna love this. This guy.
There it is. On a new Corrado. A Waterloo pole. I don't know what this is. It's not a turtle though. It's something nice.
Bass.
Bass?
It is a bass.
Nice bass.
Nice.
Nice bass. Oh yeah. Oh, didn't mean for that to happen, but yeah. Get my pliers. A nice bass, boy.
Nice. That's a really, look how pretty that thing is.
Yeah, he's nice. There it goes. There it is, folks. Let him go. Oh snap! I ain't got time for that. The bass going off. Oh, did I get him off? He's on there. Oh yeah, another bass.
Is it?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yes.
I'm getting pissed. All I caught today is a damn turtle.
Another one. Sweet. Look at that, folks. Two back to back. I told the boys they need to stay on that treble that got my gatsu. Another bass, number 2. That's how you do it.
So on there?
Yep. Another bass.
Yep. Oh.
I'm sitting in the hole, huh?
Yeah, you are.
What? Oh, damn.
This spike stuck me. There's a nice one, folks. That hook out of him. Got him right in the bottom of the tongue.
Getting toward a fish now, man. I'm thinking I'm following.
Another little bass. Nice job, nice jab. Let him go. Get him on my head.
Nah, he's swimming, he's swimming.
We got my other line. Nice crappie, boy.
That is a crappie.
Nice one too. I told you could use one of these rods, Matt.
Hey, look at that.
Gosh darn it. Oh, twisted in my other line. Hold up.
That's a good one, dude.
Mm-hmm. Boom. Paper mouth.
Don't let that go yet.
You...
I want you to take a picture with my phone.
Okay.
Be careful.
All right. All right. Let me see. All right.
Here, push okay.
All right. Hold it right there. 1, 2, right there. That's perfect. Let's do another one. One more. Let's do one more. Shaving one more time. 1, 2. There you go.
Nice. Thank you.
Sweet. No problem. Here, I'll let him go.
Let him
Oh, you can let him go. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's a nice one.
Heck yeah.
Man, my line got all tangled, boy. Dang.
Well, man, that's like 6 fish you done caught in the past damn 15 minutes, and I ain't caught
That's how it goes sometimes.
this guy.
Well,
I'm out of bait.
it's better to be lucky than good. I am lucky. All right, guys, well, it's getting a little late. You know, we done caught a few fish today. Hope y'all enjoyed, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Peace, peace, peace. Oh yeah, you like how I did them shad? Yeah, yeah. Don't be a hater like some people. Don't be a. Oh, wait. Oh, look.
I don't know what you're talking about, man. I'm happy for everybody.
He's salty right now.
Nah, a little bit.